Question number 2, B part, degrees of adjective. Okay, I think we should start side by side. You can just think about it. Okay, we should start now. Starting from Gaurish, line wise.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gaurish. First one.
Ma'am, first. Yes, ma'am. The local trains in the city are worse than the buses.
Yes, bad, worse, worst. Okay. Comparison is there, so you will write worse. Okay. Next one is Karthik. Karthik, number, let me find out. Number 4.
Ma'am, Ishmael is better at English than he is at mathematics.
Yes. His performance is being compared here, so you will write good, better, best. Next is Akshara. Akshara, unmute and tell me number 7.
It is too cold to go for a walkout.
Yes, whenever T double or 2 is there, always write the positive degree. No need to just think about it. Too cold always. Too colder, ni too cold. Okay, okay. Next is Savya. Savya, number 9.
Yes, ma'am. The child turned out to be less than expected. The child turned out to be smarter than expected.
Yes, exactly. Smarter than
I have a doubt.
Hanji beta, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. In 8 sentence of exercise 1, there is one more adjective, his. And ma'am, that adjective is attributive.
Okay, that is possessive. Okay, maybe I forgot to just underline it. Okay, beta, in everyone in 8 sentence in the A exercise, his is the adjective. Possessive adjective, and it is always attributive. Because after his always verb is there. Okay, okay. So Harmeet.
Verb or noun?
Noun beta, sorry. Okay, noun. Okay, Harmeet. Harmeet, number 2.
Ritu is the brightest girl in her class.
Okay, brightest girl in the class. Okay, next is Jasmine.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Harmeet, you can ask. And
Ma'am,
Jasmine, you can think about 6 answers. Hanji beta, Hanji.
Isha is a sincere child. Ma'am, उसमें child है ना predicative.
Which one, beta? Tell me the sentence number. Which one?
Ma'am, A exercise first. Isha is a sincere girl. A sincere child.
Sincere is the adjective, beta. Child to noun है ना. Sincere is the adjective. Okay.
Ma'am, ये predicative है ना predicative.
Why? Child is noun. Sincere के बाद noun लिखा हुआ है. This is attributive.
Oh, sorry, ma'am, attributive.
It's okay. Now, Jasmine, please tell me 6th one, beta.
Most lengthy.
Okay, yes, exactly. Most lengthy, yes. Oh, in typing, I'm confused. The spellings, beta, Jasmine. Okay, got it. Okay. Next one is IPSA. IPSA number 8.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is higher.
Is higher. Let me see the sentence. The literacy rate of Lakshadweep is dash than that of the most Indian states. Most is there. Okay. Okay, higher. Higher is correct one. Higher. So ignore this H, the beginning one. Okay. Next is Raghav. Raghav number 10. Then Adgun.
This has been the hottest year of the decade.
Yes, the hottest. Do you know the meaning of decade? What is the meaning of decade?
I'm 10 days.
10 days.
Yes, beta. 10 years. Okay. So Adgun number 3. Adgun number 3.
The movie was longer than I expected.
The movie was longer than expected. Exactly. So number 3 is longer. Next one is Chitesh. Chitesh number
Yes,
5
ma'am.
beta. Chitesh.
मैम आपने मुझे अनम्यूट कर दिया.
वो by mistake.
मैम मैं बोलूं क्या चितेश?
मैम आपने मेरे को अनम्यूट
पहले
कर दिया.
चितेश बोलेगा. चितेश number 5.
वार्मर
The weather gets warmer after spring. Exactly. Spring का weather किया हुआ है. Compare. Okay. Okay. So this was the exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Then I'm moving to the next exercise. You can ask me. I'm going to unmute you together. Yes, please. Anyone? Is there any question?
मैम आपने सर
No,
मैम
ma'am.
वर्कशीट चाहिए ना.
2 worksheets बेटा. Yes. Any
मैम
doubt?
जो आपने
मैम आपने
sentence
वर्कशीट.
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम जो आपने सेंटेंस पढ़ाया है मैम उसमें चीज मैम एग्जीक्यूटिव है या प्रेडिकेटिव?
Number 8.
यस मैम.
Speak up the sentence, please.
हैप्पी
Okay, his is the attributive one, beta. His के बाद mother लिखा हुआ है. So mother is noun. That is attributive. Okay.
मैम ब्यूटीफुल.
Beautiful attributive है बेटा. After beautiful again scarf is written. Scarf is a noun. Okay, now I'm moving to the next exercise. Please open your page number 64. You have to underline the nouns which are acting as adjective here. ठीक है. Next exercise, very easy exercise. Sometimes nouns act as adjective. ठीक है. So you have to just underline the noun and remember there must be a space. Okay, there must be a space. अब football में space नहीं है, so we can't say that foot is the adjective. You need a space there. Okay, now let me start. I have to find out different students. Ananya, are you there? Hargunpreet Singh, Samriddhi. Please unmute. Hargun, are you there? Mitarthi. Okay, I will wait for 1 minute. If you will not unmute, I'm going to remove you from the meeting. The names just, I have just mentioned. One by one, I will ask you. If you will not unmute, I'm going to remove you from the meeting. And remember, you will not be able to join it again today. If I will mute you, remove you. I have written some forms. You have to fill in the blank with these forms. ING, ED form or LY form. Last two are the participial, ING and ED form. So please lower your hand if you don't know the answer. Only raise hand if you know the answer. I'm giving you 10 seconds. Please lower your hand so that we can save the time. Okay, I'm starting with the bottom. Saksham and Samarth. Please tell me first answer, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Geeta got a very cheap monthly subscription for her favorite magazine.
Yes, monthly subscription. Okay. Next one is second last, Hargunpreet. Yes, Hargun. Number 2.
Riding a roller coaster was an invigorating experience.
ED form or ING बेटा?
Ma'am, ED.
Okay, अगर यहाँ पे excite होता फिर क्या होना था?
ING.
Okay, so here also you have to write ING, ठीक है? Just try to think about some other word. अगर आपको वो लग रहा है ING आएगा तो ये भी क्या आएगा? ING. So riding a roller coaster was an exciting experience, है ना? So exciting means यहाँ पे भी क्या आएगा? Invigorating. ठीक है, इनविगोरेट होता है टू फील हाई एनर्जी, ठीक है. सो please join this beta. I just by mistake I put a space here. Okay, next one. Kartik, Shubh, Ipsa, one by one in this
Yes.
order. जो मैंने बताया अभी. Kartik, Shubh, Ipsa.
Yes,
3,
ma'am.
4, 5.
Losing her dog was devastating for Zara.
Okay, tell me the form, beta.
Ma'am, ing.
Okay, I have. Devastate क्या होता है? ठीक है, shatter हो जाना. When you are so much sad, upset. Okay, next is Shubh.
Yes,
Shubh,
ma'am.
please tell me.
It gets quite chilled in Delhi in the month of December.
It gets quite chilled. Okay, Ipsa, do you agree
Yeah.
with Shubh?
Ma'am, no.
Then what is your opinion?
Ma'am, I think it gets quite chilly in Delhi.
Yes, exactly. Chilly. Next one is Akshara. Akshara, please tell me fifth answer.
Bored.
The bored audience left. Okay, correct. Bored. So audience was bored. Don't write boring audience. This means the audience. Bored means the audience was bored. Okay, well done. Savya. Number
Yes,
6.
ma'am. Ma'am, which?
Number 6, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Rekha wore a dash dress for her birthday bash. Rekha wore a sparkling dress.
Yes, sparkling. Correct. So everyone, please write down ing. I'm not going to answer now. Please write down sparkling. Okay, Madhav. Madhav, next one. Then Mita.
A wrinkled old man.
Okay, yes, exactly. A wrinkled old man. Wrinkling भी नहीं suit कर रहा, ना ही wrinkly, है ना? So wrinkled old
Yes.
man. Okay, well done. This is Mitarthi. Mitarthi, next answer. Answer number 8.
Neil told us and
इसकी जगह इंटरेस्ट लगा के देखो बेटा ब्रैकेट में. Yes, Mitarthi. Okay, Adgun.
Ma'am, I think Neil told us an amused story.
Okay, अगर इंटरेस्ट
Ma'am, amusing story, sorry. Ma'am, amusing story.
इंटरेस्टिंग आना था, राइट? सो amusing आएगा. Okay. Okay, the next one is who's there? Harmeet, next one, please.
Yes, ma'am. Neeta felt frustrated by the long queue at the railway station.
Neeta felt frustrated. ED. Okay, well done. Devang,
Excuse
then
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम इस वर्कशीट 3 के अलावा मैम आपने कोई और वर्कशीट तो नहीं कराई?
beta, we did A, B, C, D. Fourth one we are right now. Okay. So Devang,
Okay, ma'am.
then Gorish. Devang, number 10.
Ma'am, oh, the audience tuned.
स्टन होता है शॉक और सरप्राइज. पहले उसको लगा के देखो. सपोज सरप्राइज इज देयर इन द ब्रैकेट, देन
I'm stunned.
यस
S
स्पेलिंग.
STUNNING.
स्टनिंग आएगा.
I'm stunned. Sorry, ED.
मैम डबल एन ईडी आएगा.
एग्जैक्टली. सो गौरिश, आंसर प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am. Studying for so long is quite tiring.
टायरिंग. स्पेलिंग्स T.
Ma'am, TIRING.
Exactly, tiring. Last is Raghav on my screen and last sentence is there. Yes, beta. Raghav.
Ma'am,
Please repeat the ninth one.
Okay, I'll repeat beta after 1 minute. Yes, Raghav?
Ma'am, mashed.
Yes, mashed potatoes. Recipe.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm going to write the rest one also. I think some of the students have missed that. So Rekha wore a dash sparkling dress. Okay. Next one is wrinkled old man. Neeta felt frustrated. So this was the topic adjective. Now I hope that it is clear to you, because when we did it for the first time, you people were having so many doubts. Now I think it is clear. Attributive, predicative, it is clear. Attributive के बाद noun आता है, and with predicative there is no noun. Second thing is sometimes nouns भी adjective बन जाते हैं. For example, night suit. Night is the noun, but here it is acting as adjective. And second one is some adjective come in ly form, like monthly subscription. And ये तो आपको पता ही है, ing and ed form, they are called participial adjective. Now please lower your hand if you are not having any doubt, and the students who are having doubts, please raise your hands. And Adgun, if you are there, please take the screenshots better. So Gaurish, you can ask your question now. Gaurish, any question?
No, I just raised hand for answer.
Okay. Madhav, any question?
Got to lower my hand.
Okay. Madhav? No? Okay. Saksham Samarth?
यस मैम. मैम जो वर्कशीट 3rd है उसका जो ए पार्ट है उसमें जो 6th है, सरा इज अ हाईली टैलेंटेड. मैम उसमें जो कल्चर है, सॉरी हाईली टैलेंटेड है मैम, वो एट्रीब्यूट एडजेक्टिव है ना?
हाँ जी बेटा, हाँ जी. Sculptor is the noun. Yes, this is attributive. Okay. Who asked the date? वैसे Madhav or Saksham? Okay, anyways, Raghav, you can ask your question, and Savya.
मैम एक बार एक्सरसाइज का, मैम एक बार डी एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन अच्छा लिख दो गीता वाला, क्योंकि तो मेरा नेटवर्क चला गया था.
B exercise first answer or B?
यस मैम.
D for dog or D for boy?
मैम डी फॉर डॉग.
Okay, monthly subscription, beta, it is there on the screen. अभी भी मैंने raise नहीं किया.
Ma'am,
Savya, you can ask your question.
yes. Ma'am, would you please repeat the answer of C question 8 part?
School को underline कर दो. School is noun. Here it is telling us about bus, so it is adjective here. School.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now you can ask your question.
मैम आंसर देने के लिए किया था.
Okay, fine. Harmeet.
यस मैम. जो अभी सक्षम ने मैम पूछा था, सारा इज अ हाईली टैलेंटेड स्कल्पचर, मैम उसमें टैलेंटेड प्रेडिकेटिव नहीं है?
क्यों बेटा? स्कल्पटर इज अ नाउन. स्कल्पटर नाउन होता है. So noun
मैम
is
टैलेंटेड कुछ नहीं है.
talented is adjective, that is attributive, and उसके बाद noun लिखा हुआ है, इसीलिए attributive है. Okay. So okay, now you can join the next meeting. ठीक है? We'll do something like narration maybe tomorrow. ठीक है? Take care.